you've got a Mk5 Astra or Astra H, just like mine, and your horn doesn't work, or the horn doesn't work when the lights are on, if the steering wheel controls are changing the volume when they shouldn't, or any combination of those problems, then this small £3 part from Vauxhall could save you hundreds of pounds. Let me explain. Behind the steering wheel on the Astra is the CIM, or Column Information Module, and this controls a bunch of things on the car like the steering angle sensor, the indicators, and the horn. When these cars came out, they started to develop problems with the horns, as I mentioned earlier. Thankfully though, Vauxhall noticed, and in the majority of cases, they could take the car in for a free recall and fix the problem. But unfortunately for us now, Vauxhall no longer offer them for free, so you're going to have to do it yourself, or get a complete replacement CIM fitted, at a cost of hundreds of pounds to yourself. Luckily though, there's a very simple fix that you can try. It costs about £3 from a Vauxhall dealership or Vauxhall Superstore online, which I'll link to in the description, and you can simply fit this tiny little clip to the inside of the CIM, and I'm going to show you how you can hopefully fix it on your drive with limited tools, almost for free. As you can see in my car, the power's on, and the horn doesn't work. Same with the lights on. The horn isn't, no matter what I try. So let's see if we can fix it. So first you want to lower down your steering column, turn your wheel to one side, pop this cover off, put it somewhere safe, and unscrew this Phillips head screw. And then do the same on the other side. Next you need a T20 Torx bit, and that goes in the hole in the bottom of the steering column. Then the lock can come out, or the cover if you've just got keyless. At this point the top cover will be free, so you can just pull these dust boots out and lift it up out of the way. The next two screws that you'll have to undo are this Torx screw on the top and this one on the other side, and that should let the bottom cover come loose. Should be loose enough to drop out. So if we take this clip and on the side closest to your light controls, which will be different depending if the car is left or right hand drive, pop it on like that and let's test it out. There we go. A working horn. For the first time in the year and a half I've owned this car, and probably longer than that actually, because looking at my MOT history, it's been failing on the horn on and off for like 5 years now at least. What a result for literally £3. Definitely give this a go and order one of those clips from somewhere like Vauxhall Superstore, or maybe your local dealership parts department should have it if you give them the part number, which again is in the description, before you take it to a dealership and have them fit you a new CIM for £200 or whatever that costs, because it's just not worth it if you can fix it with the clip. So I hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, leave a like. If you've got the same problem with your Astra, tell me about it in the comments, and we can all cry together about our broken Vauxhalls. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.